Which choice completes the text with the most logical and precise word or phrase? At the turn of the 20th century, black residents of Richmond, Virginia had few formal options for banking and other financial services. To blank the situation, Maggie Lena Walker chartered the St. Luke Penny Savings Bank in 1903. The bank went on to provide home loans and savings opportunities to thousands of black families over the following decades. So from the text, we can see that the first sentence highlights how there was a situation in Richmond, Virginia, where the black residents lacked formal options for banking and other financial services. But in 1903, this situation was sort of fixed with the creation of the St. Luke Penny Savings Bank, where the black residents could then take home loans and have savings opportunities. So let's look at the answer choices. A. Prolong. This is incorrect because prolong means to extend or to continue, and in this context it would mean that to extend the situation or to continue this situation, the St. Luke's Penny Saving Banks was created. But this doesn't make sense because the first sentence highlights how they lacked banking options, but in the second sentence it highlights the creation of the St. Luke's Penny Savings Bank and then how this gave them savings opportunities and other financial services. So this didn't continue or prolong the situation, it sort of fixed the situation. So with that, A can be eliminated. B. Rectify. This seems to be the correct answer, because rectify means to correct or to fix, and in this situation it would mean to correct the situation. The St. Luke's Penny Savings Bank was created. This makes sense because it highlights how the situation was regarding how the black residents lacked formal banking options, but the creation of the St. Luke's Penny Savings Bank rectified this situation by allowing the black residents to take out home loans and have saving opportunities. So overall, B seems to be the correct answer. C. Retain. This is incorrect because retain is similar to prolong in that it means to continue or to keep on. But in this situation, that would not make sense because the St. Luke's Penny Savings Bank fixed the situation. It didn't retain the situation. So C can also be eliminated. D. Highlight. This is incorrect because highlight would mean to emphasize, and in the context it would mean that the situation was made worse. But this is completely the opposite of what the text highlights, so D can also be eliminated. And with that, the correct answer is B.